Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you a conversation with a scammer, a Canadian job scammer. Basically one of my friends was looking for a job and he got in touch with this guy. But after conversation, like in mid of the conversation, he contacted me and he said this is what was going on. So I told him to ask some questions to the guy who was offering him a job, and then the guy ran away. So my friend, like, I have removed some email addresses and other stuff in order to protect identity because I don't want to malign anybody online. So the guy wrote, like, basically what happened, like, my friend, he got this contact from Facebook. Like, if you are part of a lot of Canadian immigration groups, you may see like people posting a lot of job offers, but most of them, I'm it could be like all of them are fake, but I cannot say all. So but most of them are definitely fake because there's so much of unemployment here in Canada. And plus, why would, for some basic jobs like working at a gas station or working at a factory, somebody would need to bring workers from overseas when there is so much of workforce, unemployed workforce is already available here? So what happened, like, my friend asked this guy, do you offer work visa to Canada? Myself, he actually hid his actual identity. This Rohan Singh was not his name, so he even put that information wrong. He just wanted to see if the guy was ready to offer him. So after some conversation, this is the main thing, like what he said, like, for job visa you need to provide following documents: passport, birth certificate, national ID, CV, resume, bank statement, optional but must have money in your wallet if possible during your travel, passport photo, visa fee 230 Canadian dollars, INR 12,840.97. So he attached this work permit made out of Canada form IMM 1295, and then he told to use the stapler to pin your passport photo on top of the form. Use the blue ink to make fingerprint stamp on the form with your both left and right thumb fingers. Like, this step itself is a huge indication. Have you ever seen Government of Canada collecting your finger expressions as a stamp? I have never seen. Scan the form to the email and snap it with a clear camera and or upload back to our email for submission. Attach all the required documents with payment receipt to the form during the submission of the form. Please find the form below. And he has written processing time 8 to 12 8 to 15 days. Guys, we all know what is the processing going on. So this itself is like the biggest red flag. And he provided the information of IndusInd Bank and account and IFSC code of somebody. This itself was wrong. So at this moment I was involved. My friend called me and he told me that this is what was going on. So I told him to first send the job offer letter. So that will give the clear indication. So he asked it twice, also the salary range. Now see what is the salary this guy is offering: 1900 USD to 4000 USD. Like, if you work in Canada, why would an employer pay you in US dollars? You'll be paid in Canadian dollars, right? Because this is same like if I work in Sri Lanka and I get paid in Indian rupees. Doesn't make any sense at all. So with this itself I was sure that this was not a genuine job offer. And then he made the calculation and said you get rupees 146257 per month. So he made conversion. You can earn even more if you work longer. It's for a free accommodation. Wow, unbelievable. I have not seen any employer offering such a job. But then again asked offer letter. I want to know where and what I will work, as I need to resign from my current restaurant. So I need offer letter first. Definitely that makes sense. Before paying him any money, you need a genuine offer letter and other documents to verify. First of all, whatever he has written, that had got a lot of false information, fake information. So it was absolutely wrong. And finally, this guy who was running this Canada immigration something with some Gmail account, he wrote, sorry, bye. So he ran away. He understood that the other guy has identified the fraud, so he ran away. I'm sharing it here so that you guys can be safe, because there are so many such frauds going on nowadays. The government of Canada has warned already, so make sure you do not fall prey to any of such activities. So share it with others so that you can save yourself. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to us. Thank you guys.